What's up everybody, hope you're all doing great. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and to this video in which I wanted to do a quick price prediction and price analysis on a chain, or XCN is the abbreviation or the ticker if you want to look it up. Because today it was actually very bullish. It's down now a little bit, but we have already seen this breakout. So we'll get to the chart in a moment, but XCN or chain was very bullish today. It's still up 16%. I think it was up more, but with like 30% at least. Doesn't matter. Volume quite high at 300 million if you compare that with the volume over the last 3 months. It's almost at the I think it's at the highest point it ever was at, even higher than the beginning of April and stuff when XCN was quite bullish as well. So that's great. Circulating supply is still at 25%, so if you do want to invest in chain, I would definitely check out their tokenomics. But I think that's quite obvious to you all. You're not dumb. So now I wanted to check out. So we analyzed chain, I think like 2 weeks ago, or at least when all those bearish moves started happening. And chain was actually holding on pretty well. I mean, as you can see, we were holding this consolidation between 9.5 cents and 7.5 cents, this level. I expected us to drop down to that level once more, and after that, you know, just kind of stay in that consolidation until this happened. And I said that was also for the long term, and that move has now actually happened. Didn't happen exactly how I thought it would be. I mean, it was more like this. So this level was less important than I thought, or at least less strong of a resistance level. So we can delete that actually. I think that's better. I think that makes it more clear. And then I thought my price target was 11 cents, which we did reach. So in my defense, that's great. But in reality, we reached this level here at 14 cents, which I drew this line up to 15 cents because that's the next resistance level. And when I did this analysis, price was still up here, and I thought we could reach that if like the volume went up to 350 million, and if we remained in this bullish momentum. Don't think that's going to happen anymore. I think this was the local top, at least at 14 cents. So what's about to happen now is actually quite interesting, because we haven't actually broken above this level here at 11.5 cents. So the main thing I am expecting is actually some support here at 10.5 cents. But afterwards, I am expecting a break retest off of 11, or not a break retest, but a rejection off of 11.5 again, and to drop down to this 9 cents area. And I have to be honest with you, it's actually pretty tough to analyze this right now. It's always pretty tough to analyze cryptos that have such a pump. Because I think we're going to drop down to 9 cents. That might not be in one big move, could also be tomorrow when the price calms down a little bit. But what happens from that 9 cents level, a lot of things could happen. Because we could actually get some bearish impulses throughout the whole market. If that happens, so if Bitcoin drops down to like 27,000 again, chain is probably going to get back into this consolidation. If, however, the market remains stable, I think it is more likely that we'll actually still consolidate, but now rather between 9 cents and 11.5 cents. So between this level, which long term would be a great thing, because if we then get some more bullish impulses throughout the market, which will always happen, even in a bear market, you get bullish impulses from time to time. If that happens while we're consolidating up there, we could actually have some nice moves in this area again between like 15 cents and 11.5 cents, which is only good for chain holders. I mean, I gotta say, if you were holding chain, you were already pretty well off compared to other cryptos. But I think, and as of right now, if the market remains stable, this seems like the most likely scenario. Now I'm gonna look very dumb if we were actually able to reach 15 cents still. But yeah, this really is what I think the most likely scenario. So we might take a break retest here of 10.5 cents, but I don't think that's going to be strong enough to let us break above 11.5 cents again. So this is basically my analysis on chain. If you do have any questions about the analysis or about anything I said, please let me know down in the comments. As for now though, thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.